Today we're going to be making this car a little bit more aggressive. So, ouch. We're going to start off with doing the grills first and then possibly the front lip if I have time. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube on how to put the grills on. So I don't know if I should actually do this for you guys because it's super simple pretty much. You remove this little cover piece. Underneath there's going to be a few nuts and screws. You take them off and this side up top kind of flaps open like forward a tiny bit so you can actually reach with your hand, pop the clips off that are on there, and the whole grill just comes off and then you could just slide the new one in. It's that simple. It's not really difficult. I think the hardest part on this thing would probably be the downpipe because apparently it's a little hard to get to over there, but since this is the 4-cylinder, like you guys know that I keep mentioning in every other video, it's a little bit easier than the inline 6 to reach the downpipe, but it's sort of the same concept with everything. Just this has a little bit more room. Okay, so all the bolts are off and you should basically be able to move it about this much, no more. Because I think the more you go, you might actually crack some paint, but we don't need to remove a lot, so it's fine. It has a lot of dirt. So it kind of makes me question if this car was never washed. That's really dirty, but yeah, I'm about to swap these out and put in the new ones. Can't wait. That simple, and like I said, this car is very dirty, which is weird, but whatever. And here's the new ones. These are the F80 style, gloss black as well, but this one also comes with the stripes. Ooh, and this is a nicer, cleaner gloss black. This one's already like fading. I didn't even notice that. Good thing I'm replacing them. Wow, I think he painted it himself because that looks really kind of crappy, but here's the new one. That looks so clean. Damn, that's so much nicer. So the last thing to do is just put everything back together and close the hood and see how it looks. So the grills are on and they look fantastic. I love the stripes. This one's just painted like a really light blue, but then this one kind of has flakes to it. And then this is just a regular red, I believe. But I think this one's actually like a BMW paint. Well, that's all these are. Because this just has the most flakes. And this one has a little bit of flake, but this doesn't have anything. So I don't know if you could see it on camera. But yeah, love it. Looks awesome. I didn't think this through because I did actually want to paint those yellow, or wrap them at least yellow, those bars. And I had these off just now, so I'm going to have to take them off again. Not the brightest tool in the shed, but yeah. Fitment is really good, everything looks good. This was like 32 bucks or 33 bucks, so I didn't expect it to be the best quality, to be honest. I just wanted to see what it would look like with the stripes. But the quality is really good and the stripes look good, so I'm keeping these. Definitely looks better than the old ones. This is brand new gloss, no chippings, no nothing like the old one that he actually painted himself, it looked like. So we're good. Now we can start on the lip. I think I paid $100 for this. This is ABS plastic, I believe. Oh, comes with nuts and bolts too. Nice. And some fake 3M tape that I might not even use. I might actually use the real 3M tape. But here's the hardware and here's the lip. Already off the bat, I'm super impressed by the quality. Like where the screws go, they go inside the actual splitter, so they're not going to show. That's pretty cool. This is the cheaper one because I know the actual one is a little bit thicker. It has this piece and then it has a piece underneath it to make it more stronger. This feels like it shouldn't break on me that easy. I'll let you know in a few months. Sorry for the wind noise, but fitment's great on the lip. And I didn't use any 3M tape yet because I kind of need 2 hands for that. I really don't want to mess it up because 3M tape sticks really fast and strong. So if I was to put it on and it left the gap like that, which it's not because I can actually push it in, but if it left a gap like that already with the 3M tape, it would be a pain in the ass to take it off and redo it. So I'm just gonna wait for Alfred or Alex or Matt, just somebody to come through, so to help me take it off and put the 3M tape, and then basically I just need more hands to properly put it back on slowly. But overall, it's just held on by screws and it's not going anywhere. I don't even need the 3M tape, but I have 2 screws here, 1 here where the bolt is for the bumper, 3 in the middle, and then 3 on that side as well, just like on this side. And it's on here so strong that I'm pretty confident I don't even need 3M tape, but like I said, I'm gonna do it just so the fitment's a little bit better, because that gap keeps popping out just a tiny bit. So I am gonna do 3M, but it's on there so strong right now with just let's see, 3, 6, 9 screws, and it's not going anywhere. I'm loving how it looks. It's super aggressive now. The only thing it needs now is just some low, just a little bit. Like I mentioned, this is my daily. This is not going to get too crazy, but I love this lip. Ever since this car came out with this lip, I was obsessed with it. It was so nice. There's another lip I'm looking at that I'll be upgrading to a little bit later, maybe summertime. This is good for winter because it's cheap. The other one I'm looking at is a little bit more expensive. It's also plastic. There's a carbon fiber variant of it, but it's like $500, so I don't know, we'll see. For now, I'm really happy with this. The new grills, the splitter, both of those look amazing. Super happy with it. Just definitely is a little bit low. New wheels for sure, because these aren't bad, but as you can see, the freaking fitment is horrible. It just needs spacers, and I don't really want to run spacers in this car because I will be having the baby in this, so I just rather get the perfect offset wheels, maybe a little different fascia. But yeah, this is so far the front end.